Imagine harvesting a significant portion of your monthly food needs from an area no bigger than 2 standard kitchen tiles. That's right, we're talking about growing a month's worth of food in just 4 square feet. It sounds impossible, but with smart planning and a few clever techniques, it's absolutely achievable. Living in the city often means limited space, but it doesn't mean limited gardening potential. This challenge is perfect for anyone with a small balcony, a tiny yard, or even just a sunny corner indoors. It's about maximizing every inch. Beyond space, growing your own food connects you to what you eat. You'll enjoy fresher, healthier produce, reduce your grocery bill, and gain a wonderful sense of accomplishment. It's a small step with huge benefits for your well-being and your wallet. The secret to unlocking massive yields in a tiny footprint is thinking vertically. Don't just think about the ground space, look up. Stacking containers, using wall-mounted planters, or even creating a simple tiered shelf system can multiply your growing area exponentially. Consider a vertical garden tower that allows you to grow multiple plants in a single column, or perhaps a hanging planter system that utilizes overhead space. Every vertical layer you add effectively increases your 4 square feet into 8, 12, or even more. Not all plants are created equal when it comes to small space gardening. We need to select high-yield, compact varieties that thrive in containers and offer continuous harvests. Leafy greens are your best friends here. Think about spinach, lettuce, kale, and Swiss chard. These are cut-and-come-again plants, meaning you can harvest the outer leaves and the plant will keep producing. Radishes and bush beans are also excellent choices for their quick growth and compact nature. Herbs like basil, mint, parsley, and cilantro are perfect for small spaces and add incredible flavor to your meals. Cherry tomatoes, especially determinate varieties, can also be grown in containers with proper support. Even small peppers can thrive. Choosing the right containers is crucial for success in a small space. Fabric grow bags are fantastic because they promote air pruning of roots, preventing plants from becoming root-bound. They also offer excellent drainage. Terracotta pots are breathable, while plastic containers retain moisture well. Ensure all containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. For soil, invest in a high-quality potting mix specifically designed for containers. This specialized mix provides the right balance of aeration, drainage, and nutrient retention that container plants need. Avoid using garden soil as it can compact too much in pots and hinder root development. Container plants dry out faster than those in the ground, so consistent watering is key. Check the soil moisture daily by sticking your finger about an inch deep. If it feels dry, it's time to water thoroughly until it drains from the bottom. Because plants in containers have limited access to nutrients, regular feeding is essential. Use a balanced liquid organic fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks, following the product's instructions. This replenishes the nutrients your plants are using to produce all that delicious food. Compost tea is another fantastic way to provide a gentle, nutrient-rich boost. Healthy soil and consistent feeding will lead to robust plants and abundant harvests. Don't let pests discourage you. Small-scale gardening makes management much easier. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of trouble. Early detection is your best defense. If you spot pests, a simple spray of insecticidal soap or neem oil can often resolve the issue. You can also hand-pick larger pests. Companion planting, like growing marigolds near your vegetables, can naturally deter some unwanted visitors. The cut-and-come-again method is vital for maximizing your harvest in a small space. For leafy greens, harvest the outer leaves first, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. This ensures a steady supply. For herbs, pinch off the top growth to encourage bushier plants and prevent them from going to seed too quickly. Regular harvesting actually stimulates more production, so don't be shy about enjoying your bounty. Let's visualize this. Imagine a 2-foot by 2-foot area. You could place a vertical planter tower in one corner, growing lettuce, spinach, and herbs. Next to it, a stack of 3 fabric grow bags. The bottom bag could hold bush beans, the middle one radishes, and the top one a compact cherry tomato plant. This arrangement alone utilizes vertical space and offers a diverse range of produce. You're already well on your way to a month's worth of food. Even in a small space, light is paramount. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. If natural light is scarce, consider supplementing with a small grow light. Good air circulation is also important to prevent fungal diseases, especially in humid urban environments. Ensure your plants aren't too crowded, even in vertical setups. A gentle breeze helps keep them healthy. You don't need acres of land to make a difference in your food supply. You just need a little space, some creativity, and the willingness to get your hands dirty. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your tiny food oasis today. Happy growing!